Alright, what's up guys? We're back in the valley. Just drove in from San Antonio last night. Don't mind the dirty windshield. But today is the day that I've been waiting for about 2 months now. Month and a half. Wasn't too long. But the single cab should be here any day now. But I actually came on the weekend on my time off to come sign for the truck. So they can go ahead and get started on the work. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go ahead and catch the last video or 2 videos ago. We went ahead and ordered a single cab with the whipple and some other modifications. So that's where we're signing in. Since the vehicle isn't here yet, they said hold on to your truck a little bit longer. They don't want to lend me a loaner for that long because we don't know how long the mods are going to take to get here. So we brought the car. Now my girlfriend's tempted to trade in her car, so she's doing her makeup over here, but I don't know what she wants. She wants maybe a Bronco or a Bronco Sport. If it makes sense, we really don't, or I feel like we can both agree that we don't want the Bronco Sport over this car unless it saves like drastically our monthly payment. We'll see how it goes. We're gonna check them out, go on the test drive, and we'll bring you guys along. And drop your comments below right now. Should she trade it in or not? No. You heard that? A voice or something? But they have a bunch of Broncos in stock. If you guys are looking for one yourself, hit up Alex Garcia here at Paint Westico.
They're so cute.
Actually, guys, I know.
So cute.
But the real thing is like these over here. Look at these. So, she called these cute, guys. Some of the biggest inventory in South Texas. They even have the brand new F-250s, the baby dually. So check them out. Maybe I won't be leaving with the single cab. Maybe she gets the F-250, you know? All right, so we're here at Paint Westico Ford checking out this Ford Bronco that Andre is liking. I'm not sure. I'm not really too knowledgeable when it comes to the Broncos, but I'm pretty sure this is a base model, or I'm not sure. But it does have nice wheels on it, all-terrain tires. The interior is actually really spacious. How do you like it?
Pretty cool so far.
Do you think it's better than your Mustang?
It's completely different.
It's just completely different.
Not like, you know,
Are you gonna make hasty decisions today?
I don't know. I'll see how it drives.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna go for a test drive, guys. Alex is just gonna get us the license plate so we can go out for a drive. All right, so we're currently on the drive. What do you think so far?
I don't know. I don't know what to say. It's like very different, obviously. It's nice. I don't know, being a two-door is also, you know, a factor versus being four-door. It's smooth so far.
My humble opinion on it, it's nice aesthetically from the outside. Interior, not the most luxurious compared to like the Mustang and the Lariat that we currently have, but it's also a little bit noisy. You have the tire noise, you have kind of like wind creeping in through like the top or the sides of the Bronco. I was about to say Jeep, but yeah, it does drive very similar to Jeep Rubicon that my sister has. So we have that to compare it to. Since it is a two-door, like she said, that is playing into the decision factor. But yeah,
It's cute.
yeah, she says cutesy. Now I feel like she'll lose her it factor with our friend group if she trades in her Mustang. I feel like that's the only reason she's being invited right now to like the functions. You get me? So oh my is right. All right, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this test drive. We're gonna head back. We're probably gonna test drive one other vehicle that Andre is interested in, and we'll keep you on the loop. We're here at financing. We're striking a deal. I signed my life away basically, and F-150 Avalanche Gray XLT with two-wheel drive. Whipple 3.0 and a Beltec Lauren kit is the only options we're going to go with. Everything else is going to be done on my end. So the plan is to do headlights, tail lights, color matching, of course some wheels, and that's pretty much it. Let's see, the truck should be here sometime this week. As soon as it gets here, they're going to go ahead and take it to Shrek to get it professionally installed by him. So that's really cool. If you guys come to Paint Westico, Shrek does the work for them when it comes to performance side of things. So Let's see how it goes.
Rethinking your life decisions.
Hey, guys. She wants to get a Bronco Sport, lose the it factor. If she does it, I'm telling her right now.
What?
The money we're saving, it's going into mods. No. So make your choice.
He did not tell me that.
Yeah. I thought it was understood. Like, come on.
Alright, so as you guys can currently see, we're inside a Ford Bronco Sport Outer Banks Edition. Yes, Outer Banks Edition. Very nice interior. It does have the brown leather touches on it, kind of like the Lariat, which is really nice. And this is the most comparable thing, or not comparable, but on what Andre wants to get. So the two-door Bronco, or the Bronco Base, or the Bronco Sport Outer Banks. Now, in my humble opinion, selfishly, I think the Mustang's more badass, and it has the it factor. She might not be able to hang out with us, you know, like Andrea might not be invited to the functions anymore, and I'm standing by it. I'm gonna hold my ground, and I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna be agreeing with me in the comment section. Now, this Bronco Sport, it does drive nice, don't get me wrong, it's a nice vehicle. Now, Andrea's had her vehicle for 2 years. Monthly payment might not change that much, so she might not even change it. But we'll see. If she does, I just have more money for mods for the new truck. We just got the message we want to go get some food, and we actually already got approved for the truck. So once we head back to the dealership, and we're almost there, we're gonna be signing some papers, some documents, and basically get it finalized. If you guys are interested in doing something like this with Payne Westico Ford, just kind of like explain the process. For me, it was a little bit different because the vehicle, we ordered it. It took about 45 days, 60 days to get here. It's still not here, but it should be here this week. I came to sign for the papers and to finalize the documents so that as soon as the truck gets here, they can start installing the supercharger, the lowering kit, and all the other mods are going to be done by myself. So they're only going to take care of the modifications that I'm buying with them. The biggest reason, why did I go with the supercharger installed with the factory or with the dealership? Because it comes with warranty. Let me say that again. It comes with warranty. So yes, I can probably get a supercharger for a little bit cheaper, install it, and I save like, what, $1,000. But what happens if I blow up the motor? It's gonna cost me a lot more, right? So I felt like it just made sense for me. It's gonna be a daily. I'm not gonna void the warranty. I'm gonna stay on the stock whipple tune for a while. Yeah, I have plans for it down the road. But realistically, I'm just gonna get the exterior and the interior to the way that I want it, to my preference, and then from there, then we'll start making the racing content with it and stuff like that. Now, I am gonna be doing like in-person point of views, or yeah, POV driving. Maybe take it to the track, like stock, with a stock file too, see what it does, kind of get a base reading. And Andrea, she's going to be the second half of this video, basically focusing on what she decides for the vehicle. But yeah, single cab is pretty much done, so I'm excited for it. Is it the right decision? I think so. I'm happy about it. I'm not going to think twice, and we'll move forward. Andrea's kind of frowning because I feel like she's gonna miss Lariat. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm gonna miss the Lariat. It's a beautiful truck. I've had my experience with the single cabs, and they're just, I don't know, it feels like a toy. But that's what he wants. So, he wants a toy.
That's why I feel like a hypocrite if I tell her not to get the Bronco.
Exactly.
You get me? Like, I understand, I'm a logical thinker, but selfishly, I want her to keep the car because I feel like it can help the channel grow once we do start modifying it. You know, like put a Mach 1 front bumper on it, maybe get like the Euro tail lights, maybe put the Ford-Star wheels on it, and fall in love with her car, because I feel like she's just gotten complacent with it since there's no new
Anyways, it's okay. We'll see.
We'll see. Or maybe a little F-250, you know, she sacrifices, you know.
We'll see, we'll see.
Oh, didn't mean to turn that on. I actually went ahead and drove this truck. I don't think I got any videos when I was driving it, but this is actually XLT, so very similar spec truck. This one actually got color matched by Payne, and they did the Beltec 3.5 lowering kit. So this is basically what the truck's gonna be standing like. I'm gonna try to get it as leveled as possible with the front and the rear. With the welds, I am gonna be going with welds, and I'm gonna be placing the order as soon as I finalize these papers right here. Yeah, Weld S77s, I think that's a shock to her, but it's okay, don't worry. We only live once, YOLO, you know. She doesn't want to sell the Drake tickets that we got, so, you know, she can't complain then. So the real thing, or the real question, or what I need help with is, I don't know if I should go with Weld S77 polished, or if I should be going with the black center polished rim. So y'all let me know. I really want to go polished, so please say polished. Tell them what you did. Tell them what you did.
We got a good deal.
She traded in the Mustang. I'm not happy about it, but mark my words, this truck's gonna be badass. Her Bronco Sport's gonna stay outside if it hails, if it storms, if there's a wildfire. I don't care, that thing's staying outside of the garage.
For the record. I don't know.
For the record.
For the record, it's not.
Why did we do this? What was the main?
So the main thing was that it's expensive to be a cool girl, you know?
And we're saving for a house.
We're saving for a house at the end of the day. You know, we can get another car later.
A barn dominium shop house would be a lot cooler than having her car, you know? And by that time, maybe she can trade in this Bronco Sport for an S650, maybe later down the road. So that's the plan. We'll have fun. I mean, I have a whipple F-150 now.
I know, he's acting like,
so, I can't be acting like I'm losing in this situation, because I'm really not. I gotta use my vehicle for the cool things, you know? Like, we'll use the Bronco Sport to put the mileage on it.
We're getting rid of the daily, so
yeah.
I had to make a sacrifice. So I am not a villain at the end of the day. It's helping him out, because I know this truck's gonna be more than just
I'm still mad though.
More than just a happy daily car. Truck.
The emotions are setting in. I don't want to look at the car. I don't want to look at your Bronco Sport. I'll find my own ride back to San Antonio. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Walking to your new car. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Proud of you.
I love her.
What's her name?
I don't know. To be determined.
Alright, to be dated.
Leave something in the comments.
Alright.
She's an Outer Banks girl.
In Outer Banks.
You know what
Looks nice. Very nice interior. We're gonna go ahead and drive to the front, get the stuff in the car, and enjoy some time with family finally. So let's get on the road. Alright, so everything's been done. Congrats. The old car. What have you done? What have you done?
I'm saving money.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, so she's saving a little bit of money monthly, you know, so we can go get more mods for the truck.
No!
So we can save for our barn dominium that we want.
House, and then possibly a S67 maybe?
S650?
Why did I say 67?
I don't know why she said 67, but maybe an S650 in the future. So, or maybe like I would really love to build like a mischievous purple Mach 1 or a performance pack, something like that, but yeah, we'll see. Maybe a C7Z in the future. But we're just gonna enjoy life for what it is with these new vehicles. So we're blessed to be in this opportunity to begin with. So appreciate y'all, follow along and subscribe.